Where them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Bless up on the self viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know so they attacking past the New Link from New Link Production. I don't know people when we say attack for go on, attack for go on. Because right now people, me a go launch a attack. Cause you know say no, the attacking boss not afraid to attack nothing when it deserve to get attacked. Well now my people, now we know say lockdown a go on, pandemic a go on, COVID a keep, you understand? No stage show na go on, you know what I mean? The artists they now work, maybe dub plate now sell like that again. So we get to find out say the artists them want have them buzz same way, they still want to remain up there, understand? They still want their name a trend. Cause them a release song, a song they not go on with nothing, song they not buzz, the song they not say nothing. So them intend now people to come out, show them true colours now, use it on social media for their name call or for get a hype. Zine? Well me New Link Production now people. Zine? Me now go come so now and give them the hype and just come so boom. Yeah, artists look and put up that picture here, boom, boom, boom. Cause we not time for share man picture like that. We no love man. Zine? But truth of the matter is people, we have local youths out there, we have little girls out there, and we have the younger generations that come up. And if it's this the way people, if certain things we are going on, and if at this we are going to let we little generation then come see people, look at the man, we in a trouble, we in a problem. So when we say things like them people, we have to lick out panic. Cause that what they are fine. We have to lick out panic people so there can be a stop to this. Zine? Alright. Number one. Look upon this picture here now people. Zine? Look upon this you know. Well this is dancehall artist with them say name Intense. So yesterday now, this picture you go out. You understand? Yesterday, Saturday. And boastfully, at them post them picture on their IG and something people. They don't know them guys, but tell you, they want their name called because they know so when they do things like them, people are going to take you run with it and laugh with it and joke with it and say look upon that. But look upon something like this now people. You believe say me could have said something like this and don't get an attack. Honestly, number one, you see what the man got on him head there so? Is a wig that he have on in a people. Is a wig. This man is not acting. Right? Him not act. Cause he not act like Shibada. Him not act like Girly or none of them play there who used to act play and do there what them a do. See? And everybody knows that most of them man they who put on wig on their head and go act. You understand me? They say all. Most of them not straight. Them not real. See? In our culture people. And we as Jamaican and everybody know how we stay already. Many not to say that home or there. Zine, but everybody know how Jamaicans stay and how we tan. Zine, and look at this now, right? Alright, think about a normal person without being a dancehall artist or anything like that. Take on that wig there people. Look on it, you know. Just look on that same thing there, you know. And come so boom. And going at the street. Which means a lot of young people follow them. You understand? Then full of fans, then full of followers. But young people who follow them thing. Only things you're nothing good this way follow. Or you're nothing not trend this way you want to be like. Any man will say them are gangster people. Any man will say them are in the street man. Them are thugs. Which thugs you are going to dress like this? Which thugs you are going to take up cream wig here put on upon their head like them are some big BIT finish it people? Honestly, which thugs you are going to do this? And you are going to tell me say them are artists are real? That's why people, me no business when nobody wants to say. There is only few dancehall artists I listen to. Zine? Because a lot of them man are portrait and a sing gangster music people and act like gangster but they are not. Zine? And everybody should know what is a gangster because gangster means a man will go around and rob and kill people, you know. Nothing like that people. Zine? So if a man wants to learn the real thing, what is a gangster, then we learn it. Zine? Alright. Well, look on this people, honestly. A straight attack for this. Mr. Me could see this and launch an attack on it. The man them people take the thing different. Number one, me no business with all them want put up them cream and do them thing. Me no business with that people. See no, me no business with that because everybody don't know that part they go. But the thing is people, is when them man take up a wig and I put on them head. A cream wig and I move like some. Nah man, it not real. Zine, and some man I go tell me about, yo, I'm my artist that, I'm a general, Zine, but me say, see a regular man out the road, you know. Just like this and put on a wig, you don't want to take big stone, you don't want to take mash it, or you don't want to deal with them certain way, because I go say them a what? Them a swim around, them a shark, them a fish down. Okay, Zine, and that's why I tell them, say, the world that we live in, it no level. But because I'm an artist now, I go pre-man say, yo, I ain't image man, I just do it to get the hype and the name call. For do what? For advertise the big business. Eh? Alright. I straight attack me telling already people. Alright. Next thing people. Because I two of them, you know. Zine, and you see what the number them I play. Two. We should not play that number there. This next one now, people. The CM Dread one now. Who come out the other day. Come in a video now, people. And say, blagger this, you go think negativity, you do. Blagger talk about it. Zine. Alright. Him do one next thing now, people. Which him just highlight him true colors, people. Zine, because honestly, me the thing say, yeah, whatever. Then he come and talk about him do it for this and people calling him, whatever. Number one, him put up a picture, people, with somebody send me tweet with whatever. Me no want to see me happy them send it to me, people, and you know what I mean? Me then cover something which me no want to see they were then covered. Me no want to see nothing there, so. Because you don't know people, we do this vlog, we just put awareness out there. Me not pray no man, me not watch no man, because me no love man. You get what me I say, people? Me I do this to spread awareness out there to show you, say, oh, we culture and music, mash up, and we dance and really gone to. Because before we never say we artists, them a move, so. Zine? People used to say, whatever Ninja Man put this and that pan his head, but you ever say Ninja Man moves, even if Ninja Man put something pan his head, right? Oh, Ninja Man look, people. He look like some whole Western killer. But look pan how them are sitting here, look, well, this is something now, people. Eh? Number one, look pan the post up. Say I take a selfie. Here catch him side there, so. What that supposed to mean to you now? You are going to see now, me no say a fashion dread or whatever, but look at people. This are the image of them a portrait. This is who they truly are. Zine? And them a go say them a do them thing for their name call, to get a hype, to get a buzz, and I fling it over there. Yo, me a telling this, brother. Zine? If you don't run broke out of money and all the money in out of music one did make already, or you did do this thing to get a trend because I don't know if you pure now and want and the name being relevant, you don't make no sense. Zine? Because you don't have youth. Yeah, you don't have youth because this a man have youth. I obtain have youth. Zine? Intense have youth. You need to set an example for the youth. And this a one portrait to get the hype or the buzz. There's a lot of different things out there one can do. Zine? What you want to try, brother? Because you, number one, I obtain, me lose half of you 100%. Because you was a powerful artist. And even though maybe you say it now work, if you did still continue and keep that flow there, but you decide to change up, you would still be prominent. You would still be relevant. Because you was in a league by yourself. You was that, and you drop it, you know. It's never the people them drop you, you know. And you start change up and go to dancehall when you're thinking that buzz me no know what. See? Because you must feel say you just want to be on top. So you want to be on top of reggae, on top of dancehall. And you feel say you can run it to them, but it don't work so. You have to choose one. And you go over dancehall and go choose that now when dancehall have a different style of dancehall around the place now. Seeing what you can do. So you get left behind now and wish you make the culture music thing kind of be different because you see Proto-J, Chronixx and them and they come in at the thing Jesse Royal and the thing can't catch you this now, so you have to come with them back. You know what I mean? Them back of dirtiness now. Yo, as an entertainer, you no need to think smarter. Zine, think smarter. Me know say I octane, yes, you have your house and I see you build big wall there and something, yes. So with that, but differently. If I where you have to do them or something, yeah, brother? Eh? What kind of thing they may not go on? You know, for Lord, the fishy business, man. And music, we say, brother. Cheese and peace. Attack for Uno. Straight attack. Zine, set an example and start mash up your business. Uno start mash it up. And the producer, them will support, you know. Them will mash it up too. Zine, be a man in the thing. If not a man, if not, I'm going to be a woman or something, man. Get to know flag and go over some man. Find some place about no Jamaica. Zine, attack for Uno. Straight up. No joke, no leniency. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and the people. And don't know the thing, and don't know so they attacking boss their people. And we say attack. We don't go afraid to attack nothing people. Zine, just like how we can attack the youth them when they are grown as I tell you with the piper and I come so. And we say things like them, we have to attack it because them are damage the thing. And no joke. We want to bring back the culture to where it did. Not with them sing thing because our music never goes so. Peace out. Don't know. Follow we on IG and Facebook and Twitter. New Link Production. Big up.